In this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 strategies to maximize your profits with Google Ads. These are some of the strategies that I have used myself over the past 7 years to help me grow my online business. And that's what I want to share with you here in this video today. Every single one of these strategies is just as important as the last. So make sure you guys stay through to the end of the video because you don't want to miss any of them. By the way, pardon my background, it is a little messy, and that's because I am traveling. However, I will be flying out shortly, so you can expect to see something a little different in the next video. That said, let's get straight into it. Google Ads profit maximizing strategy number 1. And that is to make sure that your keywords, ads, and landing page are all relevant. Because what all that contributes to is something called the quality score. And that is a very important metric with Google Ads because this is what determines how much you pay per click. So if you can pay less for every click, your bottom line will be better. Now, if you want to get into the details of exactly what a quality score is and exactly how it works, I do have a dedicated video on that I'm going to link in the description of this video. You can take a look at. But to summarize, the quality score is a score of relevance between your keywords, your ads, and your landing page. So you want to make sure that everything is relevant. So if somebody is typing in how to make money online, you should have a keyword that has something to do with how to make money online, which then takes people to your ad, which should say or have something to do with how to make money online. And then your landing page should also make it clear that this landing page is about how to make money online. And the reason why this is so important for Google and the reason why this determines how much you pay per click is because think about it from Google's perspective. They want to keep as many people on the platform as possible. And if Google's users see something that is irrelevant to what they're searching for, they're gonna go off and look somewhere else. Google doesn't want that. So the best way to keep people engaged on the platform is to give them exactly what they're looking for. And that is what is achieved with this quality score, with the relevance between all these factors. So you want to make sure that they're all congruent, that they all speak the same message, and they all take people to the same place. And in the process, you will also achieve a high quality score, which will allow you to pay less per click. Moving on to Google Ads profit maximizing strategy number 2, and that is to take up as much ad space as possible, guys. You can do that by utilizing your headlines, utilizing your description, adding ad extensions. Your headlines have up to 30 characters. Your descriptions have up to 90. Take up as much of that as you can. All these different ad extensions, that means site link extensions, call out extensions, things like that, because if your ad is much bigger, then it stands out and it's much more likely to be clicked on, all right? So take advantage of that and you can see much more quality traffic to your site, much higher CTR, which could correspond to much lower cost per click and therefore much higher profit for you for your Google ad campaigns. Google Ad profit maximizing strategy number 3 is to use remarketing. Guys, did you know that 97% of people who visit your site for the first time don't actually buy? They buy the second time, the third time, the fourth time. And this has something to do with the psychological principle called the mere exposure effect, which says that the more somebody is exposed to something or the more they see something, the more they start to like it. And I don't know if you guys experienced this yourself, but I surely did. When there was a girl that I didn't quite like in my school, the more I had classes with her, the more I saw her every day, the more I started to like her, okay? And this happened pretty frequently. The more you see them, the more you start to like them. And the same thing works with marketing, guys. The more somebody sees your ads, the more they are likely to feel familiar and to like what it is you're offering, what it is you're selling. So take advantage of remarketing, set up remarketing on your site, absolutely, if you don't have that already. And if you're not sure how to do that, I also have videos showing you exactly step by step how to set up Google Ads remarketing. So take a look at that video to learn exactly how to do that. And the coolest things about remarketing is that, first of all, it's much cheaper, guys, because this is no longer cold traffic. This is now warm traffic, because these are people that are already familiar with your content, and now you will be paying less because not everybody is targeting the same audience. Not everybody is bidding for the same audience that you are, which means you'll be paying less. Again, your bottom line will now be higher. The other cool thing about remarketing is that you can create different campaign types for remarketing. So if you're running search campaigns, you don't have to just remarket to people via search campaigns. You can remarket to them via display ads, via YouTube ads, via Gmail ads, guys. No matter what YouTube video they see, no matter what website they're on, you can target them no matter where they are, and they will be much more likely to click because they're already familiar with your content. So take advantage of remarketing, guys. It's an amazing way to get more conversions and to pay less per click and increase your profits with Google Ads. Google Ads profit maximizing strategy number 4 is to constantly be adding negative keywords. Guys, in 2017, Google said that 15% of their daily searches are completely new. This number is roughly the same today in 2023. That means you can't anticipate what somebody will be typing in. You have no idea. So you have to be constantly monitoring your search terms and constantly be adding your negative keywords, guys. So just select a campaign, click on keywords here, and click on negative keywords. And you'll be able to add negative keywords based on the search term report, based on what somebody is typing in to see your ads in the first place. And you should do this as often as possible, guys. If you can do it every hour, do so every hour. If you can do so every day, do that. But with 15% of new searches coming in every day, there's just no way that you can predict them, okay? So take advantage of this negative keyword feature that Google Ads has and add as many negative keywords as possible that aren't relevant to your business. And last but not least, Google Ads profit maximizing strategy number 5 that might seem a little counterintuitive, but it will definitely increase your profits. And that is not to lightly take Google Ads recommendations. Google Ads recommends you a lot of things. They recommend you certain location settings to target everybody who is in or interested in a certain area. You definitely don't want to do that for the majority of businesses. Google Ads recommends that you mesh together search and display campaigns. You definitely don't want to do that unless you plan on spending a lot of money in a very short period of time, because search and display campaigns should be handled completely separately. Google also sometimes recommends to add a bunch of different broad match keywords to your campaign, which is one of the things that I suggest you do not do in my 7 Google Ads mistakes video, which is not to add broad match keywords, and especially random Google Ads suggestions that you haven't researched yourself. If you do get some recommendations, make sure to talk to a professional first. Don't just go in and accept everything. Some of the client accounts that I have reviewed over the past few years have come to me saying, I don't know why all of a sudden I'm spending more, or why all of a sudden I'm not getting enough conversions. And lo and behold, when we looked at their account history, we noticed that they went in and they accepted some of the Google Ad recommendations, which either added a bunch of keywords or paused a bunch of highly performing keywords, yes, believe it or not. So be very careful, very alert, and consult with a professional first, not Google Ad professionals, not Google Ad chat support, before you implement the recommendations. And that is it for the 5 profit maximizing Google Ads strategies. If you enjoyed this content, I do invite you guys to check out my website at ivanmeta.com for you a free affiliate marketing guide, as well as invite you to take my training courses where I go over in detail how to make money online with affiliate marketing and show you how to make money online with paid ad networks such as Google Ads, Facebook ads, and Microsoft ads. That being said, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.